Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to tell you a story about a robot with one wish: to feel like a human. Throughout this video, we'll follow his story and learn how AI really works. A scientist named Sarah created a robot named Eli. Eli could think, ask questions, and even write poems. But something was missing. He didn't know what feelings were. When humans laughed, he only recognized the smile as happiness, but he didn't feel it himself. One day, he asked Sarah, "Why can humans cry when they are happy?" That's when Sarah realized, maybe emotions are something machines can never truly experience. Let's look at it scientifically. AI doesn't think like a human brain. It only analyzes data and recognizes patterns. So, if you tell it sad, it only understands the meaning of the word, not the feeling itself. So when people say AI became emotional, it's really just imitating emotions. Maybe one day AI will be able to feel. But until then, the most important thing is to stay human. Because what makes us special isn't intelligence, it's our feelings.